Yes, students, we all have fine. So in previous video, in part 2 video, we were properties of division, which we have completed this thing. So we are in the next point now. So better students, we have here competitive. So division of integers does not satisfy the competitive property. For example, 25 divided by 5. What is 25 divided by 5? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 divided by 10 divided. Is it 10 divided? Okay, it's 10 minus. Okay, it's 10 minus 25. So 25 minus 10 is 15. So it is not satisfied with the competitive. So if you come a bit down here, over here now you can see that in associative property, division of integers is associative, and division of integers does not satisfy the associative also now. So it is not satisfying competitive also, and it is not satisfying, which is this, associative also. So what happens in the associative case now? Let us study that. L, M and N are three different integers, Then okay, so then whatever, then see now, division, multiplication, subtraction. So all the three things which you have to do in the one part only. Okay, so now A, so here's examples here. A bracket B plus C. So what happens if before if there is a bracket between, like this something, if there is a bracket before an integer like this, so you have to remember that this is the symbol of multiplication. My dear children, please remember this thing, that if there is a symbol between after here like this, you have to remember it is multiplication always. B plus C, the answer what I'm gonna get, I'm gonna multiply it. The same thing you're gonna do, okay, because you have to multiply. The bracket thing you have to remember very nicely, okay. So please try to remember it. So here comes the distributive property. Division of integers is not distributive over addition and subtraction if L, M and N. So students, as you see here are three different integers. So L, M and like all the three are different integers. Now here not all are the same, right? So when all are the same, division of integer is not distributive for over addition and subtraction. Like now I am giving you here L divided by these two, means by the answer what you're gonna get here. So L divided by that. So again you're gonna is equals to, okay, again L divided by M plus L divided by N. Again you're gonna do, like, this is not at all distributive. Is it distributive? No, this is not at all distributive to this. Existence of identity for division. So how are you gonna do is, so there is no identity for division actually. Integers, we know that M divided by L is equals to M, but L divided by M is 1 by M. So the all the time you're not gonna get the same as integers. Sometimes you may get fraction. So that's different, like it goes on. So there is no identity for division of integers. Okay. So children, if we come a little down here, as you see, these are the notes which I have made for existence of inverse for divisions. The inverse of division, these are nothing else but this is just a notes part which you have to like write it down. It's just for knowledge. If you even read it once, I hope you will understand. If not, then please tell me in the comment section. I will make a particular video only on this topic to explain you guys, because most of people don't understand, and some are there who just be reading, they understand. So please, if not, then please tell me, okay. So as you can see here, DMS. So here D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So here what you have to do is, here are the sums also. Wait, let me do it, show it for you all. Okay, my camera I have to make up. So if in an example more than one operations are involved, then first of all the performs division, then multiplication, addition, subtraction. This should be row wise. Okay, DMS. DMS means what? First, you are always, when you are solving these type of sums and all, the first thing you have to remember is DMS. DMS is very very important, because the same as this DMS, there's a board mass also. Board mass, even you have maybe learned, I think, like most of the ICSE schools it is not provided, but for CBSE schools it is provided, right? Of course it is provided for CBSE schools, but for ICSE schools it is not provided. So yes, let me tell you what is DMS. So DMS is nothing else than first D for division, so you have to divide the sum. Like this is done, first you have to divide, and M for multiplication, then you have to multiply, and A for addition, then you have to add, and S for, what is S for? So yes for subtraction. So what you have to do is subtract. So that's what you have to do. And here are some sums also which I have already solved, but these sums we are not gonna now we are not gonna see this part. Okay, we are not at all gonna see this part. First let us just see this part, like learning part. So these are the things I'm going to show you, or I'm going to teach you in a different video when we will be solving exercises, particularly exercises. So that time I'm gonna tell you about these all things, like exercises and all, when I'll be taking solving most of the sums we are gonna solve in that sessions and all. So yeah, soon it's gonna be uploaded. So first let me teach you how to do like this type of sums. So students, here the first thing, as you can see here, is 5 plus bracket minus 48 bracket is there, and divided by bracket 16 minus 16 negative 16 plus positive 6 means only 6 plus 6, what we call. So here what you're gonna do, first thing is you're gonna divide 48 divided by 16. Okay, 48 divided by 16 is 3. So we're gonna get answer 3, and you're gonna 5 as it is, division 3, then it was plus, again it is given here as plus, so we are gonna plus sign, and then minus 2 multiplied by 6. Okay, and again you're gonna plus, again you're gonna add 5 and 3, and again whatever the answer you are gonna get is, first what you have to again addition. So you have to add this 5 and 3. So 5 and 3 is 8. Okay, here 8, and 8 plus 12 is 4, negative 4. And how you may, please, I have taught you already this thing in the previous videos, that how to do addition of integers, especially integers. So please, if you are really not understanding, please go to the previous video back and check it out. So my dear children, the chapter is completed, but there is a last topic remaining, which is removal of brackets. Means how should we do the removal of brackets? Means nothing else than have you done now, just now DMS. No, the same thing. There are some of the different types of brackets which you're gonna use it step by step, like this. Let me show you. Let's see. Yeah, this is simple bracket, this is curly bracket, this is a square bracket, and this is vinculum. So how you're gonna do is, always the first thing you're gonna solve in the first is you're gonna solve this vinculum. Then after vinculum, which bracket you're gonna solve is, and after that we are gonna solve a simple bracket, and then curly bracket, and then square bracket. So these are the steps how we are gonna solve. And when we'll be solving the same thing, at the same time we also have to follow the DMS rules, children. So please remember this point. So here is some point which I have noted down. So please copy it down your books, fair books, or in your notes. So children, as you can see, here is an example I have given here. So the first thing here, vinculum is not there. Wait, let me prepare one more example and solve it. Children, I have tried here to bring vinculum. So see here, first what we are going to do, we are going to solve is vinculum, and here division is not there, my dear children. Multiplication is not there. Addition is not there. So the remaining here, whatever the stuff we are gonna do is only subtraction. So there's nothing like that that's a bit tensed about all these things, subtraction and all. So first we are gonna solve is vinculum, and okay, 11 minus 8, which is 3, and we're gonna write it like this, and again the starting whatever the stuff, and we're gonna cancel this and only simple bracket, and 12 or 12 and 12 case like 12 minus 3, which is 9, and again 23 here minus sign is there, so हमको माइनस से लेना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, और 55 है और 55 है, और हमको लेना पड़ेगा नाउ वी हैव टू टेक अवर स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट इनसाइड, और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट आफ्टर सिंपल ब्रैकेट मैंने बताया था आपको कि हमको कौन सा ब्रैकेट लेना होगा भाई, हमको लेना होगा कर्ली ब्रैकेट. सो कर्ली ब्रैकेट के बाद कौन सा लेना है, आफ्टर वी लाइक विल सॉल्व ना कर्ली ब्रैकेट ऑल्सो, 23 minus 9 14. सो ये सब इसके बाद वी हैव टू सॉल्व 25 minus 14 which is 11, और 55 है जो कि नॉर्मली यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. सो माइनस दिस minus means 55 minus 11 is, that's it, 44. So here like this, the same thing I have solved every single sum, my dear children, for you all. So if you all really want it, yeah, I've solved all the sums. So if you all really want it, then please tell me, because no, I can make a particular video on solving the sums and making you children understand, because now whatever I'm teaching is just in brief, which I'm just going in the brief way, because some of children are little weak in the maths. For them, if you guys really want more and more extra time for your maths, extra time for your calculation, then please tell me in the comment section. I'm gonna make a particular video for you all guys every day or every weekly I'll be uploading. So please tell me if you have any of the doubt, or if you want to clear the doubt. Okay, thanks for watching. And actually this was the last video, means part 3 is the last video. We have completed the whole chapter. So my dear children, we have literally, I'm not begin like so much earlyly, like so much fast we have completed the whole chapter, and I hope you all have literally understood. If you have like some of them, maybe not, but please tell me in the comment section. I'm gonna clear still your doubts. Okay, and please make sure if you like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you really like my videos and you want daily updates. I'll be uploading every day, and I have even started a shorts in which I'm gonna upload every day physics. Like we are gonna cover the physics chapter, which is for 6th standard basic, which is gonna be first is matter chapter, and we are gonna complete the chapter weekly in the form of shorts. It will be creative experiments and everything is going on in there. So make sure you like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.